It's my crush! Oh.
Are you okay?
Sorry.
Will you come to my party at 6?
Sure. At 6? I need to get ready.
5 hours before party.
Where's my towel? Oh, here it is. My eyes. Finally.
Grace posted a new photo.
Let's check it. I need the same nails. Now which one to choose? Oh, for special occasions. Perfect.
4 hours before party.
I have to hurry. Oops. I can't let this happen. No. I need to dress up. Wow. Wow. What time is it? It's time for your makeup. Okay. Oh, wait. Huh? It doesn't match the dress. Yeah, you're right. I have to try them all. No. Perfect. Yeah, right.
La 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 la.
Oh, thank you for your help. That's why I'm your stylist, baby.
Have fun.
Lily, you're so beautiful.
Seriously? What's that?
3 hours 30 minutes before party.
I need a new outfit. Too bright. Whoa. Too basic. Is this even mine? I have nothing to wear. I know. That's it.
Lily's baby stuff.
Now, where's that dress? Oh, there it is. Oh, looks like I grew up. Come on. Ouch. This should work. Cool.
Lily?
Let the experts help me.
Contour is everything. Sorry.
Next.
Use pepper.
Are you serious? Next.
And take.
Oh, that's what I need.
Say yes, yes, yes to new adventures. Yes, yes, yes. You got potential. Yes, yes, yes to everything. Yeah.
Ooh, I like this makeup.
Lily,
Huh?
good makeup.
Thanks, Mom.
Go get groceries,
Mom, but I'm late for the party.
or you won't go anywhere.
Okay, Mom. Rude. A beauty salon. Mom,
Hey,
I got the groceries.
good job. Lily, buy yourself a new dress.
Thank you, Mom. Done. So quick?
Your dress.
Thanks. Oh, this is the one. Oh, I'll be the prettiest at the party.
My dress for Chris's party.
I need a new dress. Too long. Too short.
Oh,
I hope this is the last one.
Sorry.
Lily, my card is not endless.
But the dress is good.
2 hours before party.
I need to get my hair done. What should I do? No! Oh, it wasn't real. Let's do this. I don't like it. It's not real. I really did it! Chris can't see me like this. What? Still purple? Why?
Ugh, Lily. It needs washing. Lily, where's your room always a mess?
Mom, not now. I'm late for the party.
Okay. My daughter's growing up.
Oh, really? Oh, what's wrong with this day? It's my dress for the party. Oh, it couldn't be worse. I hope the dress won't stain. Oh.
1 hour before party.
Chris!
Lily, you're late.
Lily, what happened?
Mom, I screwed up.
I can help.
Mom, I'm scared.
Mommy knows best, baby.
Today I'm perfect and I know that forget. I'm perfect and I know that. I'm perfect and you forget. Open up, give them a smile your heart knows what to do. Then your soul there is tell you see me, I see you.
Done.
Wow! Mom, you're a fairy!
Oh, my girl. Oh, you will look like me on my prom. Oh,
Oh, I really do! Thank you, Mom. Bye!
Lily? Come on in.
Where's the party?
Tomorrow?
What?
Tomorrow, 6 p.m.
Tomorrow? My eyebrows!
Wanna go on a date?
It was worth it. I'm sure.
Yeah, let me get ready.
Okay. This will take time.
I'm ready.
Oh, so fast.
Yeah.
Huh?
Delish. Oh snap! What's this? Ew, yuck! Where did this come from? Huh? Ugh. Oh my. Let me help ya. Give me that. Let's pull up your shirt like this. And voila! Wow, thanks. About time. Oh, bedtime. Nighty-night. Morning already? What's happening? I can't move! Someone help! What's the deal? Oh, gosh, how did this happen? Hold tight, I gotcha! Not working. Hang on, got an idea. Help!
At your service. What's up?
Hey, check this out. Hi.
Really? Don't waste my time.
Hey, where are you going? Oh. Okay, I'll free you. See? Yay! So, moving on. Come on, you can do it! Ouch! What's that? Don't worry, my hair's fine. See? Wow! All good. Oh, got a text. Oh, gotta run. Hey, don't leave me here! Nice breeze. Right? Not really! Wow! Your hair's a mess! Not funny! Ow! Ouch! Ugh. Her hair's way too long. Let's fix that. Just put a hairpin here, and here, and here. Done! Wow, much better. Thanks! So let's see what's trendy now. Wow! This looks really great! Maybe I should cut my hair short too? I think so. Let's do this. Oh, is this really a good idea? What to do? Oh, I got an idea. Let's see what we've got here. This won't do. Neither this. What's this? Nope. Oh, this should work. First, push the hair back. Wrap it up like this. Tie a half knot. Drop it down. And lift it up like this. Now tie it into a bow like this. There! Short hair without a cut. No fair! What? My hair's too short to tie back. But that's fixable. Watch. Wow! Let's try! Just pop this on top. And done! Awesome! Looks totally real. Look, now I'm gonna be the trendsetter. No, short hair is in style now. Not true! Nothing beats a post-shower vibe. Time to dry off. Whoa! Too powerful! This is no hair dryer! It's like a hurricane! Oh, got an idea. Let's put this on my head. Make a hole here. And start drying. Wow, this is actually fun. All done. Hair's dry. Perfect. Finally got cleaned up. Now to dry my hair. Ugh. Why is it taking so long? Ooh, what happened? No way! My hair's still wet! Oh, what do I do? What's up with your hair? Wet? Chill. I've got an idea. First, secure one end of the rope here. And the other here. All set. Now grab a clothespin and hang your hair strips out to dry like laundry. Like this. Never tried it this way before. Relax, just gotta wait. Time. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, it worked! Thanks! No problem. Now I gotta deal with the laundry. Ugh. Time for cleanup! Let's have some fun! Fire! Gotcha! Ouch! Uh-oh! What was that? Weird. Well. Wahaha! Pew! Ouch! Ouch! What's this? Where did this come from? Well, might be useful. There. This is better. Gotta hide! Much better. What's this? Now I get it. I'll show you. Ow! Ow! Stop! I was just playing. Let go! Okay. But first, let's give you a ponytail. Wow! How'd you do that? Awesome! You style your hair. Share in the comments. Like and subscribe. See you in the next episode. Bye!